Kusemzimkhulu we-SABC e-Auckland Park lapho sikhona. Nanzi-ke zangelihlanu ntambama ku-SABC 1 asithome ngezithutshileko.
So we do have the suspect driving the vehicle. We have the accomplice that was also with him in the morning until they brought us here.
Amapholisa waKwaZulu-Natal athi asenthendeniza abantu ababili abasolwa ngokubulawa komfundi weJohannesburg u-Oliver Tambo ngemva kokuthi omunye abulekwe nakadumzana namapholisa. Kani umngani womsolwa lo uMakhanya uthi uMakhanya uba ukuthandaza ngaphambi kokuthi aziphekelele emapholiseni kodwa konke kwacindeliseka.
You lied again. How do you sleep? How do you live with yourself?
Ugogo lomntwana othunjiweko wabe wakhuputhiswa uJocelyn Smith ubabaze unina lomntwana njengomuntu onamala naphezu kokuthi amthembise ukukhuluma iqiniso. Endaweni ngendawo lapho ukhona sithi kuwe ulunge ulapho hlala nathi ngale mizuzu ema-30 yendaba zesiNdebele ngikuthulani bongo. Amapholisa waKwaZulu-Natal athi asafunana nabasolwa ababili abahlotshaniswa nokubulawa komfundi weJohannesburg u-Oliver Tambo. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuthi oyena msolwa omkhulu uphila ngenkosi Makhanya atunyuze wabulawa ngamasawa namhlanje nakadumzana namapholisa emafletsini weManzimtoti eSewula eThekwini. Abanye abasolwa abafunwako amapholisa athi ngufezile Ngubane nobongani Mthimkhulu. Isidumbu somfundi weminyaka ema-30 ubudala sifunyenwe hlanu kwe-Alexandra eXhagwini eJohannesburg ngosonto. Abanye abantu abane bachukwa ngembuzo amapholisa.
Kusemafletsini lapho Makhanya bekazifihle khona. Unokufa umkhokhobele wazomfumana khona lapha ekubhaceni. Amapholisa athi umnganakhe oqhatshe kulamafletsi kanti uMakhanya bekaqhatsha inkolo ekuye. Ngemva kokubeka ilihle endaweni le ilanga lonke kuthe ekuseni namhlanje amapholisa ngena ngendlovu yangena.
And he came here to rent the vehicle, but this guy said allegedly didn't give him a car because he had seen his photo on media that he was wanted for something. So he kept him here and he was interrogating, asking him why, what happened. And he said he confessed to him of what he did in Joburg. And then he wanted to commit suicide.
Ngelesine ekuseni ngemva kokubalekela ukubotshwa amapholisa athola umhlala kaMakhanya olayitshwe babantu ababili ngekoloyi. Ukholwa bona bachayele bachinga eXhagwini eliko bese babuyele eThekwini. Amapholisa atafumene la uMakhanya khona ngokukhupha imali ku-ATM.
Picked him up yesterday morning and we followed that vehicle until we located the car. From there we were able to then trace all the movements of that vehicle, where it dropped off, who was traveling with them. So we do have the suspect driving the vehicle. We have the accomplice that was also with him in the morning until they brought us here.
Ngemva kokudumuzana namapholisa amapholisa afumene bomazisi abangaba ama-28 nabomaliledinini abama-20 ekusolwa bona yizinto zabantu ababambe ikunzi. Umkhwanazi uthi solo kukhutshwe inthombe zabasolwa amapholisa afumene ingqongqole eziyi-90 ezivele emphakathini ekusolwa bona bongazimbi bobulelisi obenziwe nguMakhanya nabakhozi bakhe. uMakhanya bekangaphandle ngebheli ngamacala okuthumba nokubamba ikunzi eGauteng. Ekuthomeni kweveke isiqhema esiphenya ukubulawa kwaMungale sithola umhlala kaMakhanya nomunye asola naye uNgubane ePhoenix nakwaMashu KwaZulu-Natal. Omabili amadoda la kholwa bona ahlala kwa-H kwaMashu. Ividiyo eliphole emhlophe yakayise kaMakhanya ekholwa bona kusetshenziswe yona uMungale nakanyamalako ifunyane la kulungiswa inkolo yePhoenix. Amapholisa bobuyise kwayokuchuka nonina ngembuzo ngemva kwensolo zokuthi umhlebele bona ufuna amapholisa okwenze bona balekela ukubotshwa.
The mother who allegedly assisted this boy to escape, which we cannot charge her for because until we get a Section 205 to really confirm the story that we're hearing that she might have tipped him off. Until we confirm that, we'll be able to then charge her.
Indaba nasenjalo umngane kaphila ngenkosi Makhanya lo obekamvakatshele efletsini ukhulume wanaba malungana noMakhanya obulewe amapholisa. Umngane lo uthe batsho bekangazi yena ekuthomeni ngakho konke bekwenziwa nguMakhanya ukufikela la abona khona enkundleni zokuthintana bona uyafuneka. Batsho ugcine avezile kuye ukuthi imbala ulenzile ecala eJohannesburg. Batsho uba uyokuthandaza ngaphambi kokuthi aye emapholiseni kodwa amapholisa amfikela asathandaza njalo batumuzana kwabe kwaphela ngaye. Nasiragela phambili amalunga womphakathi kaBhokweni eMpumalanga akhanuka ngathana amapholisa ngaphakamisa inyawo ekuphephiseni umphakathi. Lokhu kunjengobana isifunda seMpumalanga sitshengise ukwehla kwesibalo emphakathini eli-17 lapho kubike khona ubulelesi obumbi khulu kanti wokukata solo yathwelela. Umjaphethe kaKomitjhinara wamapholisa weMpumalanga uDr Zeph Mkhwanazi uthi amapholisa azokwenza konke okusemandleni ukuphungula isibalo sobulelesi obuhlobana nezomseme esifundweni esi. Mkhwanazi ubethula imbalobalo zobulelesi eMbombela.
Umphakathi lo ubhodwe izehlakalo zokukhahlumeza ngokomseme nokukata. Solo bangena abangenile abantu abazokuvula amacala njalo epolice station kaBhokweni. Macala amanengi okukhahlumeza ngokomseme avulwe khulu enyangeni enrathu zokuthoma komnyaka lo. Begodi ipolice station le solo iragela phambili nokubahlangana nezihlanu eziphambili lapho kuvulwa khona amacala la. Mhlapha nje isakhamuzi kaBhokweni uGiveness Msimango weminyaka ema-31 ubudala thiwa batsho ukatwe bewabulawa ngesikhathi agidinga ilanga lakhe lokubelethwa. Izakhamuzi zikhulelwe zinhloko.
Hayi ibuhlungu kakhulu ngoba uma sebarepha abantwana labancane nathi siva buhlungu kakhulu. Cela ngathi bangasilungisela lokho.
Vele kaBhokweni nabo nge-rape kusekugcineni shem bayarepa abantu abalana shem ayikabi most lala abancane yabo yebo mara kuyathuleka namaphoyisa ala akavamisa ukuthi noma ungafona into bayi-attenda after la hour basithatha serious yabo ezimphathwa la shem mina esifobini esayidini nami asikho safe shem ve mina angidiva ngisafe yabo ne-crime high last bambamba inkunzi la complex
iye khona isifundisi sitshengisa ukwehla kobulelesi obumbi khulu emphakathini eli-17 kodwa amacala okukhahlumeza ngokomseme nokukata solo mraro wakosodiye.
17 community reported serious crime for the province of Mpumalanga indicated a decrease. It has gone down with 10%, which is lower with 2,308 counts. We have managed to bring it down at that position.
Usomkhandlu wezokuphepha komphakathi uthi isifundisi sitshengisile ukuthi imbali inlelesi ziyabotshwa.
Where numbers are high indicate a high number of victims. Victim of crime can find comfort because the conviction rate in the province is high with heavy sentences imposed such as double life sentence in our cases.
Umkhwanazi uthi amapholisa azokusebenzisana namalunga omphakathi nenhlangano zomphakathi ukukhawula ukuthwelela kokukata ukukhahlumeza ngokomseme nokukhahlumezana ngokobulili esifundeni esi.
Umengameli walokhu uThabo Mbeki uthi uMauket Uchope ube ngumakekere we-ANC usize khulu ekwakhiweni ngobutsha kweSouth Africa. uMbeki ube yokulelela umndeni wakwaShope namhlanje. uMauShope uyokubekwa kusasa emathuneni weWest Park eJohannesburg.
Is a big loss. We know that age catches up with all of us. When we celebrated her 99th birthday, indeed that was indeed enough of a sign to say, an alert to all of us that sooner or later she will leave us. But indeed, we for people like her, we've grown up under her.
Amaqetha wabathumbi nabakhukuthisi bakaJocelyn Smith alungiselela ukuyokufaka isibawo sokuzibilayeza ngesahlulelo sokugoja idili kajele. Unina likaJocelyn Smith, uKelly Smith, isokana lakhe kunye noStefano van Ryn bagotshwe ikhotho ephakemeko yeSaldanha Bay ngelesine. Umntazinyana okhabe neminyaka esithandathu ubudala walahleka eduze nekhabo emhlahlaneni yeMiddle Pause komhlolanja womnyaka opheleleyo.
Isigwebo nesahlulelo sabathathu abo akusiyo into erara amagqwetha wabo. Nanyana kunjalo amagqwetha la azokufaka isibawo sokuzibilayeza mayelana nesiqundo sekhothwesi emvekeni entathu ezizako.
Of May, we knew we were going to appeal. Even before the judgment, we knew we were going to appeal. We were ready today. I was ready today with my leave to appeal. It's just that we're told that the judge is not ready.
Nangaphandle kokuthi bafumene isigobo esiqinileko nje kodwa lesi sikhathe singcono kilabo abathonyekako ngokuthi umntwana ukuphi. Estatimendeni esithinda ungazimbi ugogo lika Jocelyn uAmanda Daniels Smith uhlathulule umntwana wakhe ongunina lika Jocelyn uKelly Smith njengomuntu onamala ngokubhalelwa ukukhuluma iqiniso nangaphandle kokuthi athembise ukuthi uzaliveza iqiniso ivekele.
Because you said, your lawyer said, she will speak or he will speak, sorry my lord, but now you will speak after I've pleaded with you, but you lied again. How do you sleep? How do you live with yourself?
Umsolwa waphambilini osele angufakazi wombuso kwanje uLaurentia Lombard wethule ubufakazi ngokuthi batsho uKelly ongunina lika Jocelyn wamtshela bona wathengisa uJocelyn nge20,000 rands wamthengisela isangoma esithileko. Kanti ungezelele ngokuthi umuntu owathenga uJocelyn khabe akarwa amehlo akhe nesikhumba sakhe. Ubufakazi bakhe bebuqhulana ngethemba lokuthi uza kufumana izwelo elivela kumthuthisi. Ijaji uNathan Erasmus ufuna icaleli lilalelwe ngendlela enye ehlukileko.
There will be a hearing, which will be a separate hearing relating to Ms. Lombard and her legal representative, because I want to hear argument on whether she should be granted indemnity or not.
Jocelyn kuthwaye umlando esifundeni lesi. Kunesikhathi lapha abofekisi abalikhulu nama-50 bentetshi zonke zesifundesi ebehlela khona eWest Coast. Nanyana ekubhuduleni kwabo bangakhenge baphume nalutho nje, amapholisa akakalahli ithemba.
We will not rest until we found what happened to Jocelyn. We are continuing day and night looking for Jocelyn.
Akabuzwa imibuzo unina lika Jocelyn wathi batsho kungenzeka ukuthi uJocelyn ukhukuthiselwe ukusetshenziselwa izenzo ezimbi zomseme. Nanyana kunjalo bekajamile ekutheni yena akazilitho begodu akhenga phendulwe lutho nakulalelwa icaleli. Lokhu kuchiya yena njengomuntu ofanele aphendule imibuzo yokuthi kwenzakalani ngoJocelyn nokuthi ukuphi isikhuluma nje.
Nasesaphetheza bentwana iveke yokuvikela bentwana ithome ngokujayelekileko njengoba isibalo samacala ukulahleka kwabantwana silagana ukukhuphuka elizweni lonke. Ikulisa yeVerina eMpumalanga iThe Foundation of Knowledge Care nayo ihlanganisa abafundi nababelethi ekulisa le ukufundisa ababelethi nabentwana ngokuqhakatheka kokuvikela bentwana ekukhahlonyezweni.
Ikulisa iThe Foundation of Knowledge Care yeVerina eMpumalanga ihlangana nezinye inhlangano ezihlomela bezikhaliphisa abantwana ngelwazi eliyingcenye yejima lokuyelelisa ngeveke yokuvikela abantwana. Namhlanje ikulisa le itibone kunesidingo sokuhlanganisa abantwana nababelethi babo bona izokudlulisa imlayezo eqhakathekileko emalungana nevile kulabantwana kunye namakhono ahlogekako ebantwaneni ababo. Umsunguli wekulisa unomvula Hleza uthi indaba mraro ukukhahlonyezwa kwabantwana kufanele iphele.
Ukuthi kulesikhathi esiphila kiso sithola ukuthi abantwana bayahlukumezeka ngokocansi, abanye bayabulawa, abanye futhi abakhona ukuthi bakhulume bahlukumezeka ngoba abanye bahlukumezeka ngisho nasemakhaya. Thola ukuthi abazali abasemakhaya ekubeni ukuthi bamsize umntwana bangakhona nokuthi bamlalele.
Umphakathi uthi ababelethi abakhuthalele ukusabantwana engikulisa njengomana kwesinye isikhathi abakaphiphi emakhaya.
Abantwana nebala engigulisa imini nje bavukelekile ngoba emakhaya nongathi uyaqalisisa ngemini nje isigokunenge sisemberegweni.
ISouth Africa yaraga nokuhagalelwa zizenzo zokukhahlonyezwa kunye nokubulawa kwabantwana. Ngomnyaka opheleleko kwabulawa abantwana abayi-245 kwathi abayi-2291 baba bongazimbi bokusahlelwa. Endabeni ze-SABC ngingufilmon Sikhosana eJohannesburg.
Nasibuya entolo.
Madam, some graduates bring traditional weapons such as knobkieries that can actually pose a danger.
Isazike sefundo sithi indongana boboyibana nokunye kwesino ingozi kilaba abakhambele umnyanya wama-graduation abanye bathi ayikho leyo. Zisakhona indaba mbukeli kanina zikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X naku Facebook. Ulele ubuthongo banomphelo umtloli wencwadi weKenya nemidlalo yestage obuye abe mjojozeli wamalimi weAfrika uNgugi wa Thiong'o ubhubheya neminyaka ye-47 ubudala. Umbiko uvele emndenini wakhe esele unzinze eAtlanta eAmerica hlangana nencwadi azitlolako kubalwa iWithNot, Child, The Wizard of the Crow. Wavalelwa ejele wabe waya nekudingisweni.
Thiong'o sisazi kodwa abuye abemchochozeli wencwadi ezifundwa eAfrika nemithetho yeAfrika. Igama livele ngomntazana kwakhe bona uyise selazile kubuyise emkhulu. Uthi uyise uyiphile ngokupheleleko impilo yakhe wabe wayilwa nangokupheleleko nepi yokugandeleleka komuntu onzima. uThiong'o uphile ngesikhathi sebandlululo lamangisi eKenya. Wayekhona nangesikhathi sepiya kwaMawu ekungiwe yamchochozela bona atlola incwadi ethi WithNot, Child, inoveli yokuthoma yesingisi ukukhutshwa umtloli weAfrika. Wathi nakasejele watlola inoveli ethi Devil on the Cross ayitlola ngetoilet paper njengombana bebangavuma ejele bona abe nephepha. uThiong'o umsebenzi wakhe omnengi bekatlola ngawo bewuveza ifuneko yokuthi kuchachululwe ingqondo yomuntu onzima enketanini zebandlululo lamakhuwa. Ngisho nomengameli weKenya uWilliam Ruto wamphakamisa wambiza ngekutane engeze bayikhohlwa eKenya. Kuhlelwe inkonzo zesikhumbuzo sakhe eKenya neAmerica ekukulapho afundise khona iminyaka eminingi eUniversity yaEvan eCalifornia.
Imnyanya yokuthweswa kwabafundi iziqu ama-graduation muva nje ingamnyanya yesintu kuphathwa impuku nendonga indende nokhunye. Lokhu sekususe inkulumo mpendulwano ngezokuphepha njengoba kuphathwa inkhali zesintu nje.
Njengesikhathi sama-graduation ema-university abanye bahagala kusikime ngitsho nababelethi labahlezi khona bakwakwazele kugcine sekuthepu ichata ngeholweni indonga indende nokhunye kuphapha emoyeni. Kodwana akusibo boke abakuthabelako lokhu. Umchochozeli wezefundo uHedrick Bakaneta uthi labesuke bambatha kulungile ukuthi bagidinge impumelelo kodwana nakuzi izinto eziyingozi njengemkhondo nembhuku ngathana kodwa bezi nazo. Uthi kuhle ukuthi kucatshangele nabanye abantu abalapho.
Ke nnete hore ba tshwanetse go itumela mo staging sa graduation. Le fela re tshwenya ke kgang ya hore bangwe ba tla le di traditional weapons tsa o tshwana le di nopkiri tse ngoleng gore ba di fufisa mo moyeng re nagana gore di ka nna kotsi mo batla modirong.
Abahubhululi bema-university ahlukahlukeneko baveza imbono wabo. Abanye bathi kulungile abanye bathi akusiyo le.
Their cultural identity should matter in universities, and universities that are allowing this to happen are contributing to the call of decoloniality.
People are doing it for numbers on social media. I fear we're going to soon witness scenes that completely undermine the dignity of academic ceremony.
Ihlangano yabafundi kunye nabanye abafundi abathwesa iziqu nabo bayaphawula.
I think the university space must always understand that it is a very diverse space. It is a space which brings about new and innovative things.
It's really hard getting that degree or that belt, and I believe we should be allowed to celebrate and embrace our African cultureness and just to celebrate.
Isazi sezesintu sithoma ngokuhlathulula bona isibhuku nendonga zizinto zamasiko akusizwe ngikhali. Uyatsho nokuthi zisetshenziswa vele nakugidengwako.
Umuntu ongumnguni uhlale ephethelele induku iwisa okukhomba inhlonipho ongesiyona impi iphathelwa imkhondo. Uma ngabe sekiwe lapha kusuke sekuvezwa injabulo nokujabula ukuthi sijabule ngoba mawusina kulula mawusina uphethe induku yakho.
Abanye abachochozeli bezefundo bathi ama-university akahlele ngobutsha imgomabo abekelele phambili indaba yezokuphepha. Bathi ngcono ukuvimba ingozi iseza kunokuthi kuthwala imkhono ehloko seyenzekile.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook siba umbono wakho ukuthi kulungile na abantu baphathe inkhande bathambe bebagide estage ema-graduation nakumbono uyalandela.
Abantwana nabangena abaphethe indonga bangavusa amavunda kade
bayazijabulisa ngoba nabo baceda iminyakanyaka urunyaka balapha emfundweni zabo kodwa bona bayazijabulisa.
Ngeqa ingasikeke ngoko singajike izintonga zibe zengozi kapha kubo babethane ngazo.
Abafundisi bebesebenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu msakazi
ukuthi bejabulise ngoba manje sebesebenzile unyaka wonke.
Omunye nomunye umkhakha unekambiso yayo. Kuhle bonyana abantwana lokho abathabela izicu zabo bangagida ngombana kuyikambiso ye-university namkha ye-college leyo.
Kwesinye isikhathi benze mawala mabelapha ne-stage of which ngiyengibona ukuthi akhambisana nemthetho we-graduation kodwa ke siyothini ngoba ezinye izikhungo ziyakuvumela lokho.
Abantu bahlaniphile abafundile phela bayazi ukuthi intonga bayiphathela ngishaya umuntu. Mhlawumbe isiko labo ukuthi baphathe intonga nyencane jabula kwabo.
Ngaso sonke isikhathi into ethinta umAfrika fanele bekuyichashaza. Akekho umuntu wakwalimala. Kusuke giya lapha kusuke kungayiwe empini.
Umbono nge umbukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela kombono umbukeli. Kezemali iranda liyabogaboga nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Imamelodi Sundowns kuzokufanele isebenze ngamandla nakufanele ithumbe umdlalo omzombe wokugcina umafinali we-CAF Champions League ngosonto oyokudlalelwa ekhaya. Lokhu kunjengomana iPyramids FC ibethe igondelo lekukhambeni ngeveke epheleleko nabazidlalela ePitori. Nje akhe siqale ngekwekwezini bona uzihlahla uphethe ziphi namhlanje. Sikosi kuhluyile.
Siyathokoza bongo esilotshisa umbukelo khona usekhaya ngolosihlanu ke namhlanje indaba esivala ngayo iveke lihlelo elikhethekileko la sitsheja khona indaba yokusoma. Amalanga la kaningi ke udade anganikela isokana inomboro yomtatu. Isokana lizitshela ukuthi udade lo sekamcomile. Ekubeni ke kaduka besazi ukuthi amasokana ayakhamba achinge eminyanyeni emaqudeni ayokuzumela izinto ezifana nalezo. Sizokutshetsha ke indlela yalokha neyanje yokusoma. Ngiyo ke indaba esiyiphethe kulo sithokoza ithuba.